Production begins with premium automotive-grade cast iron and recycled alloy materials. Every batch is carefully inspected before melting. The raw cast iron is heated beyond 1500 degrees Celsius. Powerful induction coils transform solid metal into molten alloy.
Precise alloy chemistry determines engine strength and durability. Every ingredient is computer-controlled for consistency. Precision sand molds create every internal passage. Each mold must match exact engineering dimensions. Molten iron flows into precision engine block molds. Every cavity fills to form the future V8 block. Controlled cooling prevents cracks and internal stress. The engine block slowly gains its final strength. The hardened casting emerges from its temporary mold. Most of the sand is recycled for future castings. Seal shot removes every trace of casting sand. A clean surface prepares the block for machining. Advanced scanners verify every casting dimension. Only flawless engine blocks continue production. CNC machining removes excess cast iron with micron precision. The rough casting begins transforming into an engine. Each cylinder is machined with exceptional precision. Perfect geometry ensures smooth piston movement. The honing process creates the perfect oil-retaining surface. This finish maximizes engine efficiency. Precision oil galleries deliver lubrication to every moving component. Each passage is thoroughly cleaned after machining. Powerful cleaning removes even microscopic contaminants. A spotless engine block is essential for assembly. Thousands of measurements confirm perfect machining accuracy. The engine block is now ready for component assembly. Precision bearings create the foundation for smooth crankshaft rotation. Assembly lubricant protects every surface during the first startup. The forged crankshaft becomes the rotating heart of the V8. Perfect alignment is critical for engine longevity. Computer-controlled torque guarantees consistent clamping force. Every fastener is electronically verified. Smooth crankshaft movement confirms perfect bearing alignment. The engine block is ready for pistons. Lightweight pistons are matched with forged connecting rods. Every assembly is balanced before installation. Piston rings seal combustion pressure and control engine oil. Correct ring orientation is carefully verified. Each piston slides into its precision-honed cylinder. The perfect fit minimizes friction and wear. Connecting rods transfer piston power directly to the crankshaft. Every bolt is tightened to exact factory specifications. The complete rotating assembly is checked for flawless movement. Every piston travels with perfect synchronization. The camshaft controls precise valve timing. Assembly lubricant protects the moving surfaces. Accurate timing ensures perfect valve operation. Even one tooth of error can affect performance. The timing system is sealed against oil leakage. Computer-controlled torque ensures reliable sealing. The oil pump delivers continuous lubrication throughout the engine. It is essential for long-term reliability. A precise gasket bead prevents future oil leaks. Automation guarantees perfect seal consistency. The lower engine assembly is now fully sealed. Next, the cylinder heads and valve train will be installed. Precision machined cylinder heads are thoroughly cleaned before assembly. Every combustion chamber is carefully inspected. High-strength valves control airflow into and out of every cylinder. Precision seating ensures maximum compression. Valve springs ensure rapid and accurate valve movement. Each retainer is locked into position automatically. The multi-layer steel gasket seals combustion, coolant, and oil passages. Accurate positioning is essential for engine durability. The cylinder heads are perfectly aligned with the engine block. Precision placement protects the sealing surfaces. Computer-controlled tightening delivers perfect clamping force. Every bolt follows a strict factory torque sequence. Hydraulic lifters automatically maintain proper valve clearance. They ensure quiet and efficient valve operation. Push rods transfer camshaft motion to the valve train.
Correct alignment guarantees smooth operation. Rocker arms convert pushrod movement into valve motion. Every pivot point receives assembly lubricant.
The valve train is tested for perfect synchronization. Every valve opens and closes exactly on schedule.
Flexible gaskets prevent oil leakage from the cylinder heads. Every sealing surface is visually inspected. The valve train is protected beneath precision-machined valve covers. Uniform torque ensures a reliable oil seal. The harmonic balancer reduces crankshaft vibration. It protects the engine during high-speed operation. The water pump circulates coolant through the engine. It helps maintain stable operating temperatures. The accessory drive powers essential engine systems. The engine is now ready for fuel and ignition components. The aluminum intake manifold distributes fresh air evenly to every cylinder. Laser-guided positioning guarantees a perfect seal. Electronic fuel injectors deliver precisely measured fuel. Each injector is tested before final connection. Iridium spark plugs provide reliable combustion. Each ignition coil is connected to the engine management system. Engine sensors constantly monitor performance. The wiring harness links every component to the engine computer. The engine receives factory-specified lubricants and coolant. Precise filling ensures reliable first startup. Every completed engine undergoes a full dynamometer evaluation. Automated systems prepare the engine for its first start. The small block V8 comes to life for the first time. Engineers closely monitor every operating parameter.
Computer-controlled testing measures horsepower and torque. Every engine must meet strict factory specifications.
Pressure testing confirms every seal is leak-free. Thermal imaging identifies even the smallest defect. Advanced inspection systems verify every assembly detail. Only approved engines continue to packaging.
Every engine receives a unique factory identification number. The serial code allows complete production traceability. Protective coatings preserve the engine during transportation. Every opening is sealed against dust and moisture. Heavy-duty packaging protects the engine throughout shipping. Every unit is secured on a reinforced transport cradle. Completed engines are scanned into the logistics system. They are now ready for delivery to vehicle assembly plants. From raw cast iron to a precision-built V8, every stage reflects advanced engineering. The Chevrolet